In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 265 by 5 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 2. It is less than 5. That is why we will consider the number 26. We know that 5 times 5 is 25. Subtract, we get 1. Now 1 is less than 5. That is why we will bring down this number 5 here. Now we know that 5 times 3 is 15. Subtract, we get a 0. As we get the remainder 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 265 divided by 5 is equal to 53. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.